Ed and Kip by Kay Charara. Monkey dropped a rock. Ed rolled it to Kip. Kip rolled it to Ed. Ouch! Ed kicked the rock. It rolled into a cave. Uh-oh! It rolled out. A big bug came out. He was mad. I was taking a nap. Ed rolled the rock to Bug. Can we play? You will play with me? Bug rolled it back, and it rolled far. It rolled into the water. Oh no. Splash! Ed and Kip slid down. They went into the water. Our rock! A big head came out. It was Crocodile. Ed and Kip were scared. Help! Help! Crocodile opened wide. In jumped Bug. He poked. He bit. Crocodile was surprised. Bug jumped out. Crocodile watched Bug. Ed and Kip threw in the rock. Crocodile bit hard. Crunch! Ow! Ed and Kip ran home. Bug rode. See, he's on top of the trunk of Kip. Monkey dropped a log. More fun. And the Bug goes, back to my nap. And here they're just having fun with the log. And Monkey's up in the tree laughing at them. The end. Okay. The craft we're going to do, is an elephant. So what's going to be in your craft package? You're going to have a paper plate. You're going to have 2 big ears. And you're going to have 2 smaller ones to fit inside of those ears. And you have to make sure that they're in the right way so the big tabs are on the same side. You'll have his trunk, his 2 eyes, and 2 pink cheeks. So we're going to start by, glue on his trunk. So all you're going to do is put some glue on the trunk. And you're just going to put it down here a little bit. Okay, then we'll put his eyes on. So we'll glue his eyes. There's one eye. And there's the other eye. And we'll give him some nice pink cheeks. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you're going to have to color your paper plate, the trunk, and the 2 big white ears before you start. So you can always turn the video off and start over listening to the video after you get everything colored. So after that, we're going to paste in his inner ears, which are the pink ones, and they'll go right on top of the big gray ones that you just colored. Like that. And then we're going to put his ears on like that. And like that. And you'll have his ears. Now when you do the ears, make sure that you have got these ears the right way so they're not both facing the same direction, because the big ears have to both go out in different directions. So keep that in mind when you're coloring. Okay, have fun.